Students, we are going to see one more geometrical proof of one more identity. So which identity we are going to see? Okay, let us first do some activity. Again, I have a cube with me. Let us suppose whose side is A, and I have one more small cube whose side is B. It is written on this one. I think you can see. Now if you see, I have one more solid here, cuboid. This cuboid, its length is equal to A. If you see here, both have coincided with each other. So its length is A and its breadth is B and its height is again A. So length is A, height is A, breadth is B. So its volume is A into B. So it is AB square. A into B, AB square. And its length, if you see its length, again its length is equal to this. And breadth is also equal to, its length is equal to this, and breadth also equal to same A. So its length is A, breadth is A. But whereas its height is equal to, again, to the height of small one, that is B. So its volume is length into breadth into height, means A into B, that is A square B. So its volume is AB, this is A square B, its volume is A square B, and its volume is AB square. See, its volume is AB square and its volume is A square B, and its volume is A cube, B cube, and it is A cube. So now I am keeping all together. So this is A cube plus B cube plus A square B, A cube plus A square B, AB square B cube. So what I have written, what is the total volume of this solid? Total volume of this plus B cube. So this is A cube and this is B cube, then B cube, then A square B, and it's AB square. So the total volume of this one is A cube plus B cube plus A square. So this is the total volume, A square B plus AB square. I will do some calculations here. Bring this A square B here. A cube plus A square B plus B cube plus AB square. Just I rearranged. So this is volume of solid. Volume of solid. Which solid? This solid I have. This side I am writing it. Volume of this solid is this much. Now that is equal to, you take out A common, A square common, A square into A plus B square you take common, B square into B plus A. A plus B and B plus A both are nothing but same. So we can write it as A plus B into A square plus B square. So the total volume of this solid is A plus B into A square plus B square. Now what I am doing, from this one I am taking out, from volume I am removing AB square and A square B. I am removing, I subtracted, I removed. So what are left over here to me when I removed? So actually I have removed what A square B, and so A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB square minus A square B. These two I have removed. This is, so A square B and AB square I have removed. I kept it aside. Now I am left with what? A cube and B cube. So this is A cube and B cube only I am left with here. Now if you see, that is equal to A plus B into A square plus B square, and in this one what is the common here? AB is common, minus AB common. You take out minus AB common. If you take out minus AB common, what do you get here? B plus A, means again A plus B and A plus B both are common here. Take out common, A plus B into, what is left over here? A square plus B square minus AB. So this is the identity for A cube plus B cube. So in this way, with the help of the solids, we can prove that A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. Thank you.